In this video, let us practice the quantitative reasoning which we find in the Graduate Record Examination. It's a sample study and I would like to divide this into 4 parts. Let's find the first 1/4 of this paper. The first question is, x is a positive integer, y is a negative integer. We have to find x minus y and y minus x. If x is 7 and y is a negative integer, say -5, my x minus y is 12 and my y minus x is -12. We would like to check whether a is greater, b is greater, the two are equal, or you cannot find an information from this. It looks like my x minus y, which is quantity a, is more than y minus x, which is quantity b. So x minus y is greater, quantity a is greater. The second question, the probability that events A and F will both occur is 0.42. So we may have situations like this where the intersection of the two events E and F is 0.42. It is not necessary that you have only a portion of F belongs to E. You can even have the complete set E lying within F, in which case the complete set E will have the probability 0.42. If it slides outside a little further, then definitely it will be varying. We cannot predict what the values are. That is, E can be a subset, or it can be lying totally within F, or maybe partially lying outside, in which case we do not know what is the value of complete E, the probability of an event E, and we do not know whether it is exactly 0.58, less than 0.58, or greater than 0.58. Or we can say that the relationship cannot be found out using the information what is given in this question. The third question has a triangle with the two sides PS and S are equal. We have those angles x degree and y degree provided. It is not easy for us to find the value for x and y with PS equal to SR and the side QS common to both the triangles. And hence, the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. For the fourth question, when A and B are positive integers, the quantity A is A by B and the quantity B is A plus 3 by B plus 3. We have to check whether A is greater, B is greater, both the values are equal, or we cannot find the information. So let us take some example where A is 7 and B is 5. The quotient A by B is 1.4 and the quotient A plus 3 by B plus 3 is 1.25. So in this case, my quantity A is greater than quantity B. Since A and B are positive, I can even take A to be 2 and B is 5. So when the numerator is less than the denominator, in this situation I get that as 0.4 and the quotient A plus 3 by B plus 3 is 2 plus 3, which is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 by 8 is 0.625. In this case, A plus 3 by B plus 3, which is quantity B, is greater than quantity A. So in the first case, quantity A was greater. In the second case, quantity B was greater. So we cannot predict. We cannot find the relationship between these two quantities using the information given here. The fifth question, the arithmetic mean of 100 measurements is 23 and the arithmetic mean of 50 additional measurements is 27. If I take the first information, arithmetic mean of 100 measurement is 23, then the average, which is the sum of 100 measurements divided by 100 is 23. So So the sum of the 100 measurements will be 23 times 100, which is 2300. The average of 50 measurements, which is the sum of 50 by 50, is 27. So the sum of 50 measurements will be 1350. But the question is the arithmetic mean of 150 measurements. So the arithmetic mean of 150 measurements will be sum of 150 measurements divided by 150, or I can even take the sum of 150 measurements, I can split that into sum of 100 measurements plus sum of 150 measurements, and that average will be 2300 plus 1350, because we got those results already. Simplifying, we are getting that as 24.33. So 24.33 is my quantity A, but quantity B is given as 25, and hence my quantity B is greater. For the sixth question, we have a line K given passing through the point O, and there is another point 34 which lies below the line. So if I'm trying to imagine a line passing through O and 3.4, I can find the slope of that to be the difference between the y coordinate divided by the difference between the x coordinate, which is 4 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0, because the points are connecting 0, 0 and 3, 4, which is 4 divided by 3, or 1.3. So the line what I have between 0 and 0.3, that has got this line connecting 0 and 0.3 has a slope of 1.3. But the line K will have a slope greater than the line connecting the point 0 and 3.4. That is, the slope of the line K must be greater than 1. That is, the quantity A is greater. So in this first video, we saw the first 6 questions for the quantitative reasoning for our GRE practice examination. And in my next video, I'll give the next quarter of this test. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching.